Sometimes we may screw up while resetting the head. Let me give you an example. So here's our history. I'm going to run git reset hard head tilde 6. Let's say this is an accident. Now let's bring up the history again. What happened to our commits? You may think that we have lost our commits. Well, I've got a good news for you. With Git, we don't really lose anything. All the information about our project history, all the commits that we have created, all of these objects are stored in our repository, even if we don't see them when looking at the history. So Git keeps all these objects for a while, and if they're not used anymore, then it will garbage collect them. So how can we recover the lost commits? Well, we have a great tool here called reflog. This is basically a log of how a reference has moved in our history. If we don't supply any options here, Git will show how the head pointer has moved in our history. Take a look. Now you might think this looks like a scary movie, but trust me, this is easier than you think. So from the top, look at the first entry in this log. Every entry has a unique identifier. Here's the unique identifier of the first entry. Here's the unique identifier of the second entry. Now, in front of the unique identifier, we see a description of what happened. So just a few seconds ago, we used the reset operation to move the head to this new position. Now, after this operation, now head is pointing to this commit over here. We can verify it. So look at our history. Head is here and is pointing to this commit, AF26. We can verify it here. Now look at the second entry in the log. Before the reset operation, we made a commit with this message, revert bad code. After this operation, the head pointer was at this location. So to recover the lost commits, we can reset the head back to this location. So I'm going to copy this. Here we can use the commit ID or the unique identifier of this entry. So we type git reset hard. In this demo, I'm going to use the entry ID. Good. Now head is at this location called revert bad code. Let's look at our history one more time. All our commits are back. Beautiful. Now we can use the reflog to see how other pointers have moved in our history. So let's say we have a branch called feature. We can type git reflog show feature, and this will show the history of the feature pointer.